Welcome back to KP's Kingdom, cooking with KP. No big intro on this one. I'm going to show you how to make two really easy yogurt based dips. Right, so here I've got a bit of cucumber that I have grated up on my vegetable grater. Have that sitting in a bit of paper towel just to absorb any of that moisture out of that cucumber. You can just put that straight into a bowl just like that. How easy is this? Just a tiny bit of garlic paste. You could even use a garlic powder if you want. Okay, just a little bit of that, and simply add some yogurt straight on top of that, and this is going to make up a really quick, easy version of a tzatziki. It's not quite the right way to make it. I will show you that in another video, in another day, another time. Give that all a really good mix, and this goes really well with some grilled lamb or any barbecued meats. A little bit of dill. You can use fresh if you want. I'm just using the ground, also the dried dill. That goes in, and there you go. How easy is that? You've got this very, very simple version of tzatziki, which goes well with any sort of, as I said, grilled meats or any Greek type food. The next one, a bit of orange juice into a lemon juice into a bowl, and probably add a little bit more than that as well. I'm going to add in a little bit of lemon rind as well at some point. Okay, so we'll just give this a quick chop like that, and now we can squeeze out a little bit more lemon juice after we've got a bit of rind. Don't need a lot, just a little bit. It's going to give it that little bit of a tartness to it. Very, very basic, these two dips, or these two sauces, and this particular one again goes really well with any grilled meat or even on a wrap. There's a bit of a spread on a wrap. A little bit more lemon juice goes in like that. Get rid of the seeds. Now I've got some tahini. Always keep tahini in the cupboard, don't put it in the refrigerator, otherwise it goes very, very hard. This one is a little bit older, all the oil has basically been used up, and this is the very last of the tahini in this particular jar. Just put that straight in like that. Again, add your yogurt, as much or little as you like. That can go straight in like that, and now we have to try and break up that tahini and give that a mix. You could actually put that tahini in first, pop it in the microwave for about 10 seconds, and it will make things a little bit easier to use. Alright, so how easy were those two dips to make? Thank you so much for watching this video, really do appreciate it. If you like this video, hit that like button, it gives me confidence, it should make you feel warm and fuzzy too. Please share this video with all your friends on all platforms of social media. We're trying to get the name of KP's Kingdom out there. Don't forget to hit the notification bell, you'll be notified every time a new video goes up. More importantly, you want to learn how to make something real quick and easy as a side, you need to come and join the family, my family. Hit that subscribe button and you'll never miss another one of my videos again. Alright, off to enjoy my dips, and I will catch you next time. Bye!